Year 10 Probability Exam Practice Question 15. 140 students attended a school camp. 45% of the students were girls and 25% of the students were under 16 years of age, and 55 boys were aged 16 or over. So we need to show this information in a two-way table. So to start off, I must build a two-way table where I've got girls and not girls, underage and not underage. Now the first thing I'm going to look at is that 55 boys were aged 16 or over. Boys, so they're not girls, and they are not under, so I put 55 here. Next thing I know is there's 140 students in total, so that will be my total, 140. Now we need to do some calculations. 45% of the students were girls, so that is 0.45. And that means we need to go 0.45 times 140. And that gives me 63. So that means I'm putting 63 over here. The next calculation that I need to do is says 25% of students were under 16, which means I'm going 0.25 times 140, and that gives me 35. Now I've got these amounts, I can just finish it off and work everything out. 140 take away 35 is 105. Now I've got 105 and I'm taking away 55, and that equals 50. I can do 140 take away 63 and get this part here, which is 77. 77 take away 55 is 22. And finally, 63 take away 50 is 13, and I can double check. 13 plus 22 should equal 35, which it does. So I've got my two-way table here. So question B will be used in this table. It says how many girls aged under 16 were at the camp. So how many girls aged under, so it'll be this part here in yellow, were at the camp. So that means we've got 13 out of a total of 140. Okay, then we look at the next one. It says, a student from the camp is chosen at random. What is the probability that a boy under 16 years old is chosen? Well, we've got boy under 16 would be 22. So that means we've got 22 out of 140. Now I could simplify that. Straight away I'm just going to think that I can divide them both by 2. So 22 divided by 2 is 11. And 140 divided by 2 is 70. The final question says a girl has chosen given that they also had to be 16 and over. So this is where we are looking at conditional probability, given that they are also had to be 16 and over. So I'm just going to clear this. If they were 16 and over, which means we're looking at not underage. So this is our total. Then it says a girl was picked. So that means we've got it now as 50 over 105. Again, if I want, I can simplify that, because straight away I can see they both end in 5. And how many 5s in 50? 10. How many 5s in 105, 21 to become 10 over 21.